How to fix KB5063060. Not installing on Windows 11 24H2. 1. Run System File Checker and DISM. These tools fix corrupted or missing system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following commands one at a time. sfc/scano, dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Restart your PC and try installing the update again. 2. Perform a clean boot. Press Win+R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. Under the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Give Disable All startup items. Restart your computer and try the update again. 3. Manually install the update. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog. Just search it online. Search for KB5063060. Download the version that matches your system, e.g. x64. Run the downloaded file to install it manually. 4. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Follow the prompts and apply any suggested fixes. 5. Update drivers, especially chipset and storage. Outdated or incompatible drivers may block updates. Open Device Manager, Win+X, Device Manager. Expand categories like system devices, storage controllers, and display adapters. Right-click each item and choose Update Driver. Restart after updating. 6. Use Windows Update Assistant or Media Creation Tool. These tools can force an upgrade and resolve update blocks. Download the Windows Update Assistant or Media Creation Tool from Microsoft. Run it, and follow instructions to update your system. Choose Keep Files and Apps if prompted. 7. Ensure correct locale and language pack. Incorrect or partially installed language packs can block updates. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Make sure your Windows display language is fully installed. Remove unnecessary secondary language packs if not in use. 8. Temporarily remove peripherals. Unplug all non-essential devices before updating USB drives, external monitors, gaming peripherals, docking stations. Some updates fail due to driver or hardware detection errors. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the update issue, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips and fixes.